Hey everyone, so today I got my hands on the Clicks Creator Keyboard in Bumblebee Yellow. Ever since Blackberry stopped making keyboard phones, I've been dying to get my hands on a phone with keyboards. And when I heard about the Clicks Creator Keyboard, I just immediately bought it. So here's an unboxing video and let's check it out. Like, right? Case is surprisingly light, which is good because this is gonna be adding bulk to my phone. I got the iPhone 14 version, or iPhone 14 Pro version. Let's do the honors, crack it open. And a quick start guide. Just clicks. Right, I think I've seen this tutorial on the videos introducing the product. Yeah, got some more instructions over here. I don't know, this lightning connector seems crooked to me, but let's try to plug it into the phone and see what happens. Yeah, and when inserting, removing the phone from the keyboard, keep the phone straight against the lightning USB port. Do not bend the phone upwards from the port until fully disconnected. Got it. Right. Here's my phone. iPhone 14 Pro in the exclusive dark purple color. Alright. The Asian in me wants to leave that label on. Yeah, let's just drive people crazy and leave the label on. Alright, so let's do what they say. Let's bend the case like that and then snap it in. And looks like that's it. Does it work? Yeah, it works. That's great. The keys are less comfortable than a Blackberry, I have to say, but they're serviceable. Yeah, and let's see. Oh, that's nice. Didn't realize there was a nice back down there. Founders edition, and looks like I get a nice serial number over here. All right, I'm gonna go with my phone. All right, thanks everybody. Hope you guys get this and make keyboard phones have a comeback.